Okay guys, so for the first method, make sure that do not disturb on your phone is turned off. Make sure that you have do not disturb turned off. For the next method, make sure you have WhatsApp notifications turned on. I went into my phone settings, I went to notifications, I clicked on app notifications. I'm going to find WhatsApp. Now once you find WhatsApp, make sure that you have notifications turned on for it. For the next method, make sure you have your camera and your microphone permissions turned on for WhatsApp. So hold on the WhatsApp app and then go to the WhatsApp settings. Once we're here, you want to find permissions. Make sure that WhatsApp can access your microphone, your phone, and the camera if you're going to be doing a video call. For the next method, you want to go to the Play Store or the App Store. Make sure that WhatsApp is up to date. So just search up WhatsApp in the Play Store or the App Store. If there's an update, it will tell you. For the next method, you can uninstall WhatsApp, then you want to reinstall WhatsApp again. For the last method, just simply restart your phone. Hopefully this will work for you.